Good evening, my dear students. I hope all are doing very well. So you people are very busy with your exams, tension, nervousness, and all, no? So let's hope for the best. Don't get nervous and don't get too much of stress and all. Okay. So I am here to help you guys. So I have evaluated your mid to answer scripts also. So I found some mistakes and I need to give some suggestions to improve your writing skills and all. So that's why I'm making this video. So I hope this video will be helpful to your preparation and your writing also. Okay, so let me start how to prepare. So don't depend on the question paper completely. Okay, so uh, take the syllabus and each and every concept you have to prepare very well. Why? Because the question paper setter will be from the outside. We don't know, the questions will be come from out of syllabus or else in the syllabus only. We cannot tell that all questions will be coming from the question bank. Okay, so that's why I am here to help you guys. So first, give the priority for the preparation. First unit will be the first priority, third unit will be the second priority, fourth unit will be the third priority, fifth unit will be the fourth priority, and give the last priority for the second unit. Why? Because this second unit is having so many varieties of algorithms and so many varieties of problems also. So that's why I'm telling you guys. So don't ignore the second unit. You just give the last priority for preparation. Okay. So why? Because if you start prepare in the second unit, it will take much time to prepare. So that's why you cannot prepare very well remaining units. So that's why I'm telling. So except second units, remaining four units are having two chapters. So don't bother about that. So be what we call be brave. Okay, so తెలివిగా ఉండండి, ధైర్యంగా ఉండి చదవండి. And coming to the first unit, we are having what will be the AI. So what will be the definition of AI? So that 2 by 2 matrix definition will be there now. Okay, so that definition is required here. So whatever the material you have with you, so just follow that. Don't go to other easy manners. Okay, chat gpt and gemini contents don't required. Okay, so don't get prepared those contents. So whatever tough you are feeling, just ping me a message. I'll be with you. I'll there for you to help to write what we call a productive exam. Okay, so here in the first unit, foundations of AI, history of AI, state of art, and types of agents and types of environments and structure of the agents is also very important. The structure of agent is required some formula, and the content is also very very important, sensors and all. And the agents, varieties of agents, 5 types of agents are there now. So for each and every agent you have to write the, you have to write the example, real life example, just highlight that. And also each and every agent required a diagram. Okay, so you just draw the diagram. So see, you are going to answer some question in AI. You have to give the priority for the answer. So first you are going to write the start writing the answer, right? So whether this concept or this answer required any diagram, any formula, any key points. So these 3 things you need to remember, and you just draw the diagram very neatly. And also if you are going to write some formula for that particular answer, you just highlight that formula also. So it is very very important. And you are writing some examples related to that topic is also, you need to highlight that example. Okay, so draw some box for that and all. Okay, and moving to the third unit, this is also very very important and interesting. There will be a chance to ask passive and or active reinforcement differences. So whenever the question paper setter is going to ask differentiate between so and so concept with the 2 differences or 3 differences, whenever he is mentioning 3 differences, means don't write exactly 3 differences. At least try to write 5 or 6 differences. It will be get good impression from the evaluator. Okay, and here also reinforcement learning requires, 1 second please.
Minutes. 2
Tell.
minutes. 10.
Okay, so in the reinforcement learning also we are having Q learning algorithm. Okay, so that algorithm required algorithm step by steps, and you can if you have a problem in your question paper, take care to solve each and every step. Okay, so don't overwrite your content and give the perfect solution for any problem. Okay, and here we are having generalization in reinforcement learning. So generalization in reinforcement learning requires peer and apple example is there now. So that is important. So many people did not written the example in the mid to exam. Okay, so that box is important. Peer to apple, how many possible moves are there? So many ways will be there in that to reach that apple. So based on the reward, based on the less moves, we are taking the optimal solution for that. So that is very important. So many people, only F not, I think F not, I don't know the name, F not only written the example for that perfect example. Okay, remaining people did not written the example. Generalization of reinforcement learning means they have written generally. Okay, so you are not get the full marks for this one. Okay, so I have told you whether this answer required a diagram, a formula, an example. So these are the categories of representing your paper in AI. That is very very important. Okay. Policy search algorithm, applications of RL is also important. A reward based చేసుకొని మనం ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తాం, that is also important. Bellman equation is also important in this. Okay, and while moving to the second chapter in the third unit, natural language processing. So what are the language models are there, what will be the text classification, how the text will be going to classify n grams, 1 gram, 2 gram, n gram. So that is there na. And information retrieval and information extraction. So those two are different concepts. There will be a chance to ask differences between information retrieval and information extraction also. Okay, don't write generally. Okay, generally the 10th class or 8th class student will write the answer, but we are at BTech level, right? So the paper will be at BTech level only. Okay, and while moving to the fourth unit, natural language for communication. So this is also very very important. So many people written very well, but only one thing I found in that semantic interpretation. So no one have drawn that parsley. Only Uma Shankar Reddy have written that. So he have written he attempted 2.5 questions. Whatever the answers he have written, that is perfect. Okay, I have impressed very much while correcting that Uma Shankar Reddy's paper. I'm impressed. Okay, 2.5 questions he have attempted, he got out of marks for that. Okay, so that you need to rectify yourselves. Okay, why? Because you are writing so and so matter, that all not required here. You are writing 5 points, that should be fine, that should be correct. Okay, that point you have written, that point you have mentioned here. So the evaluator cannot identify all those things, whatever you have written. Okay, those are what we call, those are very correct, those are accurate for that question. So that is the evaluator is going to watch. Okay, for semantic interpretation you need to draw the parse tree. Take one expression, how it is going to calculate, what will be the priority, what operator will get the highest priority, all this we need to mention in that parse tree. Okay, so many people did not draw that parse tree. So please rectify your mistake. If in case this question if you will get in external, so try to draw the parse tree. And mission translation is also we are having diagram. And speech recognition, in this also we are having so many models, and each and every model we are having is example. So for that you need to what we call that example you need to highlight. Okay, so speech recognition 3 models are there. So those 3 models are very very important for 2 marks and 5 marks and 10 marks also. Okay, so there will be a chance to ask indirect questions also. So whenever you are preparing yourselves main concept, sub concepts will be there now. So those are also very very you need to remember yourself very strongly. Okay, while coming to the perception, so this is object recognition by appearance and object recognition by structural information. These two concepts requires diagrams. Okay, so you need to keep in your mind. And early image processing traditional way lo em unnevi anedi important ikkada. and reconstructing the 3D world also, very very important. So in the fourth unit, the second chapter, perception, all these things related to the image object recognition only. So through the sensors, ఐస్ అంటాం కదా మనము హ్యూమన్కి అయితే, ఏజెంట్కి అయితే సెన్సర్స్ ఉంటాయి, హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు రిజిస్టర్ అండ్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు sensing whatever it is going to watch the image. Okay, these are all important. And while moving to the fifth unit, don't leave a single topic in the fifth unit. Okay, why? Because this is very very easy unit. Robotics, generally what will be the hardware requirements here, the AI developer can use to create a robot. Okay, and what will be the robotic perception, and what will be the planning to move, and how it is going to move, or how it is going to take the movements in uncertain conditions or uncertain environments. So this is also very important. Whenever you are preparing yourselves, think in a real world manner. So think your content to real world manner, it will be registered very well in your mind. And at the same time, whenever you are preparing yourself and explaining to your friends, okay, it will be registered very well. Okay, so try this kind of what we call preparation techniques to understand, at the same time to what we call to register the content permanently in your memory. Okay, and philosophical foundations, this is the second chapter. So in this also very very easy concepts. So what will be the weak AI, strong AI, ethics, risks, whenever the agent is doing some task, what will be the ethics it have to follow, what will be the risks it is going to get to do particular action. Okay, so what will be the agent components, what will be the agent architecture, and up to here we need to connect our real world examples and the real world some movies and all there, no? So just compare with those and try to put the entire stuff into your mind. Okay, and the two justification concepts are there. So are we going in the right direction, and if AI does succeed? So these two are justification questions. So don't write paragraphs theory. So write point wise, key points in the point wise manner. At the same time, highlight the key points. You are going to write some justification. Yes, so try to answer that justification in the proper manner. Yes, so and so question, are we going in the right direction annappudu? Yes, we are going in the right direction, but we have some sort of risks, అది కూడా మాట్లాడాలి. సో ప్రాన్స్ ఉంటాయి, కాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి ఒక వేలో మనం ప్రాపర్గానే వెళ్తున్నాం, ఇంకొక వేలో కనుక వెళ్తే ఇలాంటివి కూడా ఉండొచ్చు అనేది యూ నీడ్ టు జస్టిఫై యువర్ సెల్ఫ్స్. ఓకే, right. While moving to the second unit, this is also very very important. At the same time, searched algorithms, informed searching algorithms, uninformed searching algorithms. So lot of problems we have solved in this unit. Hill climbing algorithm also very very important. Gradient descent algorithm also very important. Genetic algorithm is also important. Simulator annealing algorithm is also very important. So whenever you are writing hill climbing algorithm or else gradient descent algorithm, the local minima gradient descent లో అయితే లోకల్ మ్యాక్సిమా ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, హిల్ క్లైంబింగ్లో ఉంటుంది. సిమ్యులేటెడ్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్లో వాట్ విల్ బి ద ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు రిప్రజెంట్, వాట్ విల్ బి ద వై యాక్సిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు రిప్రజెంట్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద హైలైట్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ యు ఆర్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ డయాగ్రామ్, వాటి గురించి మీరు కింద ఎలాబరేట్ చేసి రాయండి నీట్గా. ఓకే, సో ఇట్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు గెట్ ఎ గుడ్ మార్క్స్ అండ్ గుడ్ ఇంప్రెషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎవాల్యుయేటర్. ఓకే, అండ్ robotic software architecture, 5th unit. So this concept is a direct question and it requires 100% diagram. Okay, so many people did not draw the diagram in the mid too. I have very much what we call disappointed. Okay, so try to manage the time. Okay, your 20 years student is going to manage the time in the right direction and write the proper content and highlight your content in the paper. So that is the thing I'm expecting from you guys. So I think this video is helpful to so many people. So don't get nervous and all. So try to give the priority for the first third, fourth, fifth, give the last priority to second unit. So why? Because it is very vast. So whenever you are starting this unit preparation, remaining all units will going to disturb, and it will take lot of time to prepare and lot of energy to store the content in your heart and mind. So that's why, so don't get nervous, I am with you guys. So if any help is required, up to tomorrow 9 o'clock, okay, so I'll be with you. Okay, so if any doubt you are getting, just ping me a message, I will be there for you, and I will try to solve your question, and I will try to solve your doubt. Okay, okay, all the best guys. So don't get nervous and all. So be brave and be strong. Okay,
10 minutes.
సో సో దట్స్ ఆల్. బాగా రాయండి, భయపడద్దు, ప్రజెంట్ చేయడం నీట్గా ప్రజెంట్ చేయండి, హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ నీట్గా రాయండి. యూనిట్ 1 క్వశ్చన్ అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తుందంటే యూనిట్ 1 కీప్ ద హెడ్డింగ్ అండ్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ షుడ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు హైలైట్. 1 ఇయర్ రాసిన తర్వాత ఒక అండర్లైన్ చేయండి, ఐ మీన్ ఒక లైన్ కొట్టి మళ్ళీ 1B రాయండి. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ లీవ్ ఎంటీ స్పేసెస్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఓకే, సో కంటిన్యూటీ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ 4th యూనిట్, కీప్ ద 4th యూనిట్. ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ తర్వాత 4th యూనిట్ రాస్తున్నారు, 4th యూనిట్ అని రాసి క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ పెట్టి రాయండి. ఓకే, సో ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్ టు యూ గైస్. ఎవరు భయపడద్దు. సో లెట్స్ హోప్ ఫర్ ద బెస్ట్. బాగా రాయండి. ఓకే, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.